Hello guys, it is Rage here, and today we are at St. Monica's, and we are going to show you how to shake a pop can and how to open it up. So get ready, because this is going to be an explosion of death.
I got an idea with this baby. Fire in the hole! Do the hardcore trick. Alright, anyways. Oh! I think it's done.
YouTube celebrity hit. Sir, I recommend you do not get in this video if you don't want to be on YouTube.
Okay.
You didn't see anything.
That was funny.
You didn't see anything. This is where we got our pop.
That was funny. Look at. You wanna watch it? No, wait, start it over.
It's not the longest video, but you gotta see a pop can explode. I recommend you do not try this at home. Goodbye, people. That's what she said.